Subsidence of two houses in Imphal West District's Tairen Pokpi has raised alarm among residents as the subsidence occurred near ongoing construction of tunnel number 12 of Jiribam Imphal railway project. Residents have urged relevant authority to look into the matter and to carry out the development work without harming villages. SKTV News brings you a special report.
The ambitious Jiribam-Imphal railway line is entering its final phase with the ongoing construction of 37 kilometers long None-Imphal stretch. And the most important part of this stretch is the 12 kilometers long tunnel number 12. However, villagers of Tairen Pokpi are worried as lane nearby have sunk along with cracks developing on two houses at Tairen Pokpi, Awang Laikai. The two houses are located just 30 feet away from areas acquired by railways for the tunnel project. According to Ningthaujam Lokan, the owners of the affected houses, the crack started appearing about 5 days ago, and its cracks reportedly widen with each passing days. This has created immense fear among their family members. On the other hand, officials of district administration and railways have carried out inspection at the site, but the residents are expecting prompt action from the authority to save their homes.
Koi affected area na makatang basaruk sida. Koi yum sidi shokte da dum lay baneba. Ado kangau dana handak si khaire tha sigi manung sida. Do no gi sum se khai ba se henjele. Koi na sum adum pure khange. Do koi maning thang ba side phin sida hana ingai ngen adwaida Mari mangagi mamang the number hole. Ising tunge. Railway mi na ising do si thokaga ngarang nan adana sem sarga thon jimbira. Duwa koi si adum lai department gi mi STC side STO. Moi na so dum ngasi phawa dum ngasi su lam. Moi so mathak thongba authority da target bi ga pata no da dum moi Koto kama ga dum publishi. Railway mi so dum lai adu akoi loli si ka fauna da na moi mai tai ya re. Moi na su phana ba. Yang ga dum hanki. To akoi jo angang sing lai bane na yum se sikai ra na tum sa ba se. Ko jo ki jare ba. Chen thum bai ba na tam na tingko lama lo ga pongtok pa chu ngam je ta bane na. The
Jiribam-Imphal railway project is an ambitious and monumental project aims to connect Imphal with the rest of the country through railways. Once completed, the tunnels and bridges are going to become one of the engineering marvel for the country. Therefore, it is necessary to build this railway line with utmost safety measures so that people of the state and the rest of the nation can be proud of this project while also ensuring safety for locals living near the project, considering the region's vulnerability to earthquake and other geological forces. With camera person Jinkai and chief reporter Ketamiyum Premchand, this is Victoria Rajkumari, SKTV News, Imphal.